Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to go over how to draw Bowser from the Mario movie. I'm Sketch Monster here. You can hang out, watch all the way to the very end of the video. We're going to go through it together step by step for beginners. Let's jump into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bowser from the Mario movie. Let's get started. And you're going to be able to learn this by the very end, okay? So stay to the very end. Let's get started. I'm going to go over here and start with the Bowser's nose, like a curve. Okay, just a slight curve, right, for the top of Bowser's nose. Okay. From here, we're going to go into the bump kind of right next to the nose. It's kind of some scrunching. And then one more here for the side of the cheek. Kind of, he has this round part of the outside of that cheek. All right. Gonna go here for the front part of his nose here, and it's gonna go like a curve. It's not gonna connect. And then pull up right there. It's almost triangular-like. Let's go over here and draw two kind of curved lines right there for the nostrils. Dot right here. Curve over here. Over here on this side. Curve over here. And line over here. Line up for the far end, kind of this part, but at the far end over there. And then curve over here. Kind of like he has like these matzo balls on his face or something like that, connected by like spaghetti or something, I don't know. That was a weird metaphor, but smile right here. We're gonna have a one tooth down over here, another tooth down. To kind of show his, you know, his prowess, his meanness, his teeth. Gonna continue to pull this line around the corner here. Curve line underneath. And curve line over here. Curve over here for kind of the bottom of his mouth. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line down here for kind of his mouth, right? His open mouth, bottom part of his open mouth, pull up. Line up. Downward over here. Line. Curve. Line over here. Curve around here. Okay, you got one eyeball right there. You got one eye and he's squinting and he's like, what's going on, you know? Don't forget, hit the like button if you like the Mario movie, if you like Mario in general. There's a bunch of lessons. Go check out the playlist. There's a bunch of lessons from beforehand. Some movie-based, some not movie-based. Line up right here for that side. And I'm going to draw a curve over here on that end. And then I'm going to pull back over here. Again, you got that kind of like, looks like a round ball shoved into a hole or something, right? That's kind of like the way the eyeballs are here. Curve for the iris and pupil. Circle right here for the iris and pupil. Out, in, out, in. For the kind of the brow right there. I'm gonna go over here for the top of this other brow. On that side. Draw a line over here for the edge of the face. Let's draw a triangle right here for one of the teeth sticking up right there. Right on. And we could fill this area in, to be honest. Let me know if you've seen the Mario movie, by the way. I'd love to hear your opinion on it. This kind of stuff. Sweet, sweet. Ah, my head hurts a little bit. Sorry, guys. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna pull a line up for one horn, back, and then throw a line right at the base of the horn. Gonna go over here on this side, up, down, kind of for the same reason. Let's go over here on this side, curve right here, and it's gonna look like a horn, but it's not. It's the hair in the center. Line over here, down. Alrighty. Maybe going over here, throw a dot right there, the pupils. Just gonna keep that going there. Line right here for his neck brace. We can fill on most of that. I don't know, you put circles in it, but for the most part, we can fill that in, that neck brace. Okay. All right, let's go over here and we can throw in a line down and curve for kind of the arm area. And I could throw like a line right here. Just make the arm a big tube initially. You throw a line out down. You got like a claw, claw, claw. Line over here. Maybe like another claw down here for the thumb. All right, we'll do the big stuff first. Curvature over here because he's got a gigantic turtle shell on his back. Right there. Line down here for his stomach. Right? Or else we could pull a line over here because you know his stomach's gonna be different colored. Dragon belly kind of thing. Like so. Gonna go over here. Curve. Line down for his kind of stomach, sorry, his foot area. Got a flat foot. Obviously his foot on this side. Right on. And let's go over here to the other side. Curve over here on this side. You have his hand over there, more or less kind of waving on that side. It's kind of a lot going on. Like, I've been a Mario fan my whole life, and it's always interesting the kind of different iterations they have of Bowser and all these characters. Bowser's kind of mostly stayed the same, right? Don't you think? Put a line over here for the white of the shell. And then over here we can throw kind of a line over here for that turtle shell part, and then throw like that tail on that side. So we're throwing all the big masses on there first, and then we're throwing the smaller stuff after. So for example, smaller stuff right here. You know, the wristband, and he has an armband right there. Right, but it's on this tube, right? So it makes it a lot easier when you're just kind of like doing it on this tube. Same thing over here on this side. Armband. And then wristband. And then you could draw like, you know, the spikes over here on these things. Same thing over here on these. I'll make these a little bit more circle because they're kind of facing us more. And you could draw the lines across the belly, which are really important. A lot of this stuff is just kind of extra detail stuff, right? Draw the spikes on the shell. but mostly you're thinking in large shapes. You're thinking in large shapes mostly. And that's kind of like the biggest part of this whole thing. Large shapes, and you break it down, like kind of what I'm doing. I'm breaking it down to smaller pieces. Line over here for the nails. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget, check out the coloring books that we have. We have coloring books on Amazon. The link is the very first link in the description. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw something like chibi, there is a book that we have for that, okay? There's an ebook you can download right now, 100% free, on how to draw a chibi, kind of the effect of drawing chibi. Let me fill in the mouth here. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. And that is it. And I'll talk to you next time.